Activating your Banco Sabadell credit card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, ensure you have your credit card and the accompanying documents provided by Banco Sabadell. First, locate the phone number or website provided by Banco Sabadell for credit card activation. This information is typically found on a sticker on the card itself, in the welcome package, or on the bank's official website. Next, call the phone number or visit the website to initiate the activation process. If calling, you will be prompted to enter your credit card number and other identifying information to verify your identity. If using the website, you will need to log in to your online banking account or create a new one if you do not already have access. Once you have accessed the activation system, follow the prompts to enter the required information, which may include your credit card number, expiration date, security code, and personal identification details. Be sure to have this information readily available to expedite the process. After entering the necessary information, you will be asked to create a PIN for your credit card. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using easily accessible information such as your birthdate or anniversary. With your PIN created, your credit card will be activated and ready for use. It is essential to sign the back of your credit card to prevent unauthorized use. You should also review the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement, including the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. To manage your credit card account effectively, consider setting up automatic payments and monitoring your account activity regularly. This will help you stay on top of your expenses, avoid late fees, and detect any suspicious transactions promptly. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully activate your Banco Sabadell credit card and begin using it for your purchases and financial needs. Remember to always keep your credit card information secure and your account monitored to ensure a safe and beneficial user experience.